We are back with a new product here. You might know a lot about Roku from their specific time with smart devices on TVs. They got them built into TVs these days, which is really cool. But now they're getting into the smart lighting field. So let's check out these two products. First is their light bulbs, and the other one they have is their smart light strips. So right off the bat with the light bulb, it's pretty simple, straightforward, protected for packaging. This to keep the stem safe. And it looks pretty much like your just general run-of-the-mill light bulb. Works pretty easily, pretty straightforward. Got some Roku branding there on it as well. It is color, so it will basically do your gambit of colors. It says it can go up to 1100 lumens, and it is 75 watt equivalent. It is the A19 size bulb, which is pretty traditional. And you control this with your Roku app, which is really kind of cool. It says it can do up to 16 million colors, which is really nice. So that's pretty straightforward. You just need to have this Wi-Fi connection at your home and the Roku Smart Mobile Home app. So that's pretty nice. The next thing we have, though, is the Smart Light Strip. So you pop that there. And we got a little handy guide. And then some little boxes here. Some silicate, some wipes. And then a couple packs of light, it looks like. So right off the bat in this box here, you got your power cord. You got some clips to secure this to places. In this box here, have what looks to be like an adapter with a button to activate it. Even more clips. So it looks like this goes straight into here. And then this clip piece goes into the actual light strips. And then this piece here has a sealant so you can stick it to a wall. And then you got the button here that's going to allow you to activate and do some cool things with it. So you got a top side button here and a front button there. Let's see if the setup guide tells us a little bit more about what those do. All right, so there's a little indicator light right there on the top that tells you that it's on. Then you have a front button and a side button. Now on the side button, a single press will power it on and off. So on, off, so on and so forth. Front button, a single press is going to change the color. And then a long press is going to toggle the mode of the lighting system. With the side button, a long press will enter pairing mode. So you can actually pair it to your smart devices. Now, when it comes to the actual lights here, it comes in a really easy to manage little spindle. And then, pull this out real quick. You would plug this directly into here. The cap is. And then that just connects it directly to your power system. And then if you plug this in and set it up, it's good to go for lighting. You would then take one of these things here, and you can actually slide So you can actually take this and you put it in the front of it. So that the adhesive here gets pulled off and that will stick right to the wall. And so that way you can hold that against places and patterns you want to have it, maybe under cabinets, maybe under specific devices behind TVs and whatnot. And then everywhere there's one of these gold lines here, you can actually cut. So you can trim it on those lines specifically to allow this to be the certain length that you need. You wouldn't want to cut it almost exactly at the first link line, but still, it's pretty manageable to the length that you're going to need, and you do get quite a bit. So it says on here that you are getting 62.8 feet of light strip colors. So that's really cool. And then you have the back and right. So you have two lines here, so you can do one to one side, one to the other side, and place this in the center. And that's really cool. I don't see any specific connectors to reconnect them down the line if you wanted to add something later. But I mean, that's cut where you want to cut and measure it the first time, right? But that's pretty cool. We're going to set these up and allow you to see what they look like a little bit in actual darkness. And we'll be back. Hopefully this helps you out on your next purchase. We'll see you guys next time.